Monday morning fabrics. We have these beautiful velvets. This is just what's left. We don't have a lot left, but they're gorgeous. Notice this green. It's like a forest green, and it has a real slight little herringbone pattern throughout. It's so beautiful. You don't really have to worry about it. And if it was on the bias, it would look beautiful no matter what you did with it. And then this accompanying same color has just a little fine square to it. It's like but it's so fine you can really barely see it. And again, beautiful. These are cotton poly. They have stretch in. This one has stretch in both directions. This one has stretch in both directions. These have stretch in just one direction. This is a beautiful, it's navy and black, but it's a burnout. I hope you can see through that. It's just beautiful. Cotton poly. This has stretch in both directions, but it's just, there's not as much stretch in one direction. I always call that, see, there's stretch in both directions, but not as much in one direction. It's a beautiful black. It's got a sequin in there. It's got a sequin and then just a little bit of a stitch to it. I can't really tell the pattern, but it's very, very pretty. And that sequin gives a little dimension. And then here we've got a gray and black. They're roses, stretch in one direction. Again, cotton. These are all cotton poly velvets. And they're just beautiful. These are the last of them, so you want to make sure that you get what you need. And this has stretch in one direction also. And again, it's a beautiful black, tiny little squares with little silver glitz all through it. They're just so pretty for the holidays, but even not for the holidays. They're being worn all the time with jeans. They're just fabulous. The goal is happy velvet sewing from Silhouette Patterns.